Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Virginia without a lawyer. First, ensure you meet Virginia's residency rules, typically living in the state for at least 6 months. Next, decide if your divorce is uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms. Finally, start collecting important papers like income statements, property deeds, and bank records. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Before filing, you must meet Virginia's separation requirement. If you have no minor children, you need to live separately for at least 6 months. With minor children, this period extends to 1 year. During this time, it's highly recommended to draft a marital settlement agreement. This document outlines how you'll divide assets, debts, and address child custody, making the court process much simpler. Once your separation period is complete and you have an agreement, it's time to tackle the paperwork. Carefully complete all necessary Virginia court forms, ensuring every detail is accurate. Then, file your divorce petition and other required documents with the circuit court clerk in your jurisdiction. After filing, you must properly serve your spouse with the papers, following specific legal procedures to ensure they receive notice. The final steps involve presenting your case to the court. You might need to attend a brief hearing where a judge reviews your marital settlement agreement. If everything is in order and fair, the judge will approve it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, you will receive your official divorce decree, legally ending your marriage. Congratulations on navigating this process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.